Ever feel like your field service business is running on fumes, even with a powerful tool like Housecall Pro in your arsenal? You're not alone. While Housecall Pro offers a fantastic suite of features designed to streamline your operations, like any complex software, it can sometimes throw a wrench in the works. Maybe you're struggling to get your schedule to cooperate, invoices are vanishing into the digital ether, or communication with your team feels like a game of broken telephone. These frustrations can be incredibly time-consuming and, more importantly, can impact your bottom line. Imagine missing appointments due to scheduling glitches, chasing down unpaid invoices, or having miscommunications lead to costly errors on the job. It's enough to make any service pro want to throw their tablet out the window. But before you reach that point, let's dive into some of the most common Housecall Pro headaches and, more importantly, how to fix them. We'll explore practical solutions and workarounds to get you back to running your business smoothly and efficiently. Think of this as your go-to guide for troubleshooting those little, and sometimes not so little hiccups that can arise when using Housecall Pro. One frequent issue users encounter is with scheduling conflicts and overlaps. You might find yourself double-booking appointments or struggling to optimize routes effectively. This can lead to missed appointments, frustrated customers, and wasted fuel. The fix. The first line of defense is to double-check your calendar settings and ensure your team members' availability is accurately reflected. Utilize the color coding feature to differentiate service types or team members visually. Explore the drag and drop functionality to easily reschedule appointments, but always confirm with the affected technician and customer. For route optimization, take advantage of Housecall Pro's built-in mapping features. Ensure all job locations are accurately entered, and let the software suggest the most efficient routes. Regularly review your dispatch board to identify potential conflicts before they happen. Consider setting up buffer times between appointments to account for travel and unexpected delays. Another common pain point revolves around invoicing and payment processing. Perhaps you're experiencing delays in payments, struggling to generate accurate invoices, or having trouble integrating with your preferred payment gateway. The fix. Ensure your service items and pricing are accurately configured in the system. Double-check all line items before sending an invoice. Utilize Housecall Pro's automated invoice generation features to save time and reduce errors. Familiarize yourself with the various payment options available and ensure your preferred gateway is correctly integrated. Encourage customers to pay online through the platform for faster processing. Set up automated payment reminders to nudge overdue accounts. Regularly reconcile your Housecall Pro payment data with your bank statements to identify any discrepancies. Communication breakdowns between the office, field technicians, and customers can also be a significant challenge. Misunderstandings about job details, arrival times, or changes in scope can lead to customer dissatisfaction and rework. The fix. Leverage Housecall Pro's communication features extensively. Utilize the in-app chat function to keep everyone on the same page regarding job details and updates. Ensure technicians have the mobile app and are actively using it. Set up automated customer notifications for appointment confirmations, reminders, and on-my-way alerts. Use the notes and attachment features to share important job-related information, photos, or documents. Establish clear communication protocols within your team regarding response times and escalation procedures. Sometimes, users find themselves struggling with reporting and data analysis. Extracting meaningful insights from the wealth of data Housecall Pro collects can feel overwhelming. You might be unsure how to track key performance indicators, KPIs, or generate reports that help you make informed business decisions. The fix. Take some time to explore the reporting dashboard and familiarize yourself with the different types of reports available. Focus on the KPIs that are most relevant to your business goals, such as revenue per job, customer satisfaction, or technician efficiency. Utilize the filtering and customization options to generate reports tailored to your specific needs. Consider exporting data to spreadsheets for further analysis if needed. Housecall Pro often offers webinars and tutorials on how to effectively use their reporting features. Take advantage of these resources. Integration issues with other software you use, such as accounting platforms or marketing tools, can also create headaches. Data silos and the need for manual data entry can be inefficient and prone to errors. The fix: explore Housecall Pro's integrations marketplace to see if your other software solutions are compatible. Follow the provided instructions carefully when setting up integrations. If you encounter issues, reach out to Housecall Pro's support team or the support team of the integrated software for assistance. Consider using third-party integration platforms like Zapier to connect applications that don't have direct integrations. Regularly check your integrations to ensure they are functioning correctly. Finally, user error and a lack of proper training can often be the root cause of many Housecall Pro problems. If your team isn't fully comfortable using the software, they're more likely to make mistakes or not utilize its features effectively. The fix: invest in comprehensive training for all users. Utilize Housecall Pro's training resources, including their knowledge base, video tutorials, and webinars. Consider providing ongoing training or refresher sessions as new features are rolled out. Encourage your team to ask questions and share best practices. Designate a super user within your company who can serve as the first point of contact for Housecall Pro-related questions. By proactively addressing these common issues and implementing the suggested fixes, you can significantly improve your experience with Housecall Pro and unlock its full potential to streamline your field service business. Remember to regularly review your processes and stay updated on Housecall Pro's latest features and updates to ensure you're maximizing its benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.